In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view store sessions in Shopify on desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your session data and how to read it so you can make smarter decisions about your store's traffic. Start by heading to your Shopify admin on desktop and open Analytics, then choose Reports. This is your central hub for performance insights. Once you're in Reports, focus on the Traffic and Acquisition section. Two especially helpful reports are Sessions over time and Sessions by landing page or device. These are designed to give you a clear picture of how many sessions your store receives, when those visits happen, where visitors come from, and which devices they're using to browse. Open Sessions over time to see how session counts change during the date range you select. This is great for spotting trends, like a rise after a new campaign or a dip during a slow period. Use the date selector to narrow in on specific days, weeks, or months, and consider comparing to a previous period to understand momentum. If you see a spike, think about what might have caused it: an email send, a social post, or a discount launch, and note that for future planning. Next, check sessions by landing page or device. Landing page insights show which pages attract the most first-time visits, helping you identify high-performing content and pages that might need optimization. The device view shows how many sessions come from desktop, mobile, or tablet. If most visitors are on mobile, make sure your mobile experience is fast and clean, especially on key pages like product and checkout. Within the acquisition area of your reports, look at how sessions are broken down by traffic source. This is where you'll see sessions attributed to social, search, direct, and other channels. If search is strong, you may want to invest more in SEO. If social is leading, consider doubling down on the platforms that are working. Direct traffic can indicate brand awareness, repeat visitors, or saved bookmarks, and it's useful for understanding loyal audience behavior. As you review these reports, remember that a session represents a visit to your store, not a unique person. One person can start multiple sessions, so use sessions to gauge overall interest and activity. Pair this with your conversion rate later to understand how effectively those visits turn into sales. With analytics and reports, you have a reliable foundation to monitor traffic, spot opportunities, and refine your marketing focus.